Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back once again to this channel. Today I want to teach you how to make bole, roasted plantain with sauce. So easy and yummy, guys. So what you do is just take your plantain, if it's ripe or ripe, anyone. I love mine when it's ripe, okay? So you can use unripe, you can use ripe one. Sometimes I mix it together. So after doing it this way, you just peel it off, okay? So after peeling it, you just cut it like this. It's also easy and simple to make. In Africa, in Nigeria, they call it bole or roasted plantain. So this is very, very good. If you've not eaten bole before, just do it. You can do it anywhere. So you add salt to it, okay? Just spray salt to it. So after spraying salt to it, you put it. You can use your air fryer, okay? So it's for after some minutes, I bring it out and just turn it. I just turn it this way and put it back to the oven. So cut the onions for the sauce, guys. This is so yummy. If you have not been doing your bole, your roasted plantain, that you will eat and want to eat and want to eat again, do it, okay? I'm cutting fresh pepper and garlic, okay? You can use any paprika, any pepper of your choice. This is fish. So I open it to remove all the bone, anything that has bone inside of it. I'm just removing it. So this is paprika. You just cut it. Just see the way I cut it, guys. You just cut everything together, and we are going to be taking everything to blender. Let me just leave you to watch it as I do it, okay? So paprika, onions, garlic, and ginger with a little bit of garlic, yes, which I've said it before, and paprika. After blending it, this coconut oil, you can use any oil of your choice. You put the coconut oil. So after putting the coconut oil, you are going to add the fish, so that you fry the fish first, okay? So now you add the fish to the pot. You just stay till the fish is so dry. You want the fish to be dry, like dry, crunchy, dry. So this is the plantain. It's ready, hot, and oh, yummy. You just stay this way. We are waiting for the fish to dry. So now the fish is dry. With the fish oil, we use it to fry the onions and the rest of the ingredients. So that is it, guys. It's so simple and easy to make. You just cover it, let it dry. You don't need to add water to it, okay? Just let it dry. You add your Maggi, your salt, your pepper, not pepper, you will add the pepper before, and your salt and all. So that is it. So I'm going to be frying this. So this is the chicken that I put in the air fryer. So now I just stir together with it. That is it. Yummy. Enjoy yourself. Do it and enjoy yourself. It's so simple and ABCD. So I serve myself and my husband So the kids are eating theirs because I did a lot. So that is it, guys. Try it out and tag me with it, okay? Bye bye. Love you. Yummy, 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 yummy.